Tired of staring at a blank page or struggling to rephrase your ideas? Let's unlock the power of QuillBot in just 90 seconds and transform your writing. First, head over to QuillBot.com. It's free to get started. You'll see a large text box. This is where the magic happens. Copy and paste your text directly into the box. QuillBot automatically defaults to the standard paraphrasing mode, which aims for a balance between changing the wording and maintaining the original meaning. Notice those different modes above the input box. Explore each one. Fluency ensures natural-sounding text. Formal is perfect for academic papers. Simple breaks down complex sentences. Creative adds flair. And expand adds more detail. Choose the one that best fits your needs. QuillBot offers various synonyms for each word it changes. Simply click on a highlighted word in the output box to see a list of alternative suggestions. This allows you to fine-tune the paraphrase text to your exact preferences. But QuillBot is more than just a paraphraser. Click on the Grammar Checker tab at the top. Paste your text here, and QuillBot will identify and suggest corrections for any grammatical errors, punctuation mistakes, or spelling issues. Accept or reject the changes with a simple click. Need to condense a lengthy article or document? Use the Summarizer tool. Paste your text, select either paragraph or key sentences mode, and QuillBot will generate a concise summary, saving you valuable time. With QuillBot's Paraphraser, Grammar Checker, and Summarizer at your fingertips, you can enhance your writing clarity, avoid plagiarism, and streamline your workflow. Start mastering QuillBot today, and watch your writing skills soar.